Hygienic Grooming. With our Rinseable blades, hygienic grooming is easier than ever. Simply run the blades under warm water after you're finished trimming for easy, hygienic cleaning. Gentle, no irritation grooming, perfect for eyebrows, bikini lines, peach fuzz, and facial hair detailing with a detailer head. Great for any area needing light hair removal, guide comb included for even trimming lengths. Buy today. Our clean and confident ladies trimmer features superior blades, max power battery, a purple finish, and is battery operated for superior performance, power, and runtime to achieve the perfect look on the go or at home. The brand used by professionals. Wahl clippers and trimmers have been used by professionals in the salon and barber industry since 1919. With self-sharpening precision blades and quality construction, Wahl clippers, shavers and trimmers deliver a smooth shave. Top reviews from the United States. Super small, smallest of the 5 I bought. I bought 5 different battery-powered trimmers. This is my favorite. It has the smallest head and can get into the smallest spots, even inside my nose. I use it to trim the hair around my 5-pound mini poodle size. It trims very close, is fairly quiet and doesn't scare the dog. I bought another one for my ear and nose hair. It is better than the ones designed for such places.